Welcome first grade teachers. In this video, we will use the CRA approach to help students understand how to represent numbers using expanded form. Our major focus will be on the concrete and representational stages. The focus will be TEKS 1.2c. Before we dive into the strategies, let's discuss a common misconception students may have. Some students may think that the decomposition of 43 is 4 plus 3 instead of 40 plus 3. They do not understand the importance of the place value in the expanded representation of a number. To represent numbers in expanded form, students need to break down a number into its distinct digits, taking into account their positions. Each digit in a number holds a specific place value, which determines its significance in the number. For example, in the number 43, the digit 4 represents 40 because of its position. Recognizing digits and their place values is essential for accurately expanding numbers. As shown in this example, the tens place is represented with 2 digits in expanded form, and the ones place has 1 digit. By understanding that numbers are made out of digits, students will have a stronger conceptual understanding of how and why numbers are represented in expanded form. For the concrete stage, students will need a place value mat and base 10 blocks. Place value mats provide students with a physical and visual representation of numbers. Base 10 blocks are physical objects that students can hold and move around. This tangible representation helps students build a concrete understanding of the place value system where each digit's position affects its value. Once given the place value mat, students write the given number at the top. Then students can break down the numbers into tens and ones and represent them with manipulatives. Students will then use base 10 blocks to compose the given number. Students can then visually see and physically count how many tens and ones make up their given number. After completing the place value mat and utilizing base 10 blocks, students can count in tens to determine the value of the tens and count individually for ones to find the value of the ones in the given number. Because the digit 4 is in the tens place, when writing the number in expanded form, it has to have 2 digits. Because the 4 is in the tens place, that's why there are 2 lines to write 4 tens in the expanded form section. Moving on to the representational stage. For this stage, students can still utilize a place value mat. The place value mat serves as a bridge between concrete and abstract thinking by providing a visual model that can be carried over into abstract representations. At the representational stage, students will draw a representation of the given number rather than use base 10 blocks. When students are drawing pictures of base 10 blocks, it's in a representational stage. After completing the place value mat, students can proceed with the same steps as in the concrete stage by counting the tens and individual ones to express the given number in expanded form. This concludes the explanation of the concrete and representational stages of the CRA progression for representing numbers using expanded form.